Welcome back, student. This video clip is prepared for chemical reaction engineering subject, and the name of the topic is the comparison between mixed flow and plug flow reactor for first order and second order reaction. So for a given duty, that duty means conversion, the ratio of size, that means volume of mixed flow reactor and that is the plug flow reactor, is depend upon the level of conversion, stoichiometry, and the form of rate expression, that is or rate expression. So for general cases, a comparison of design equation or performance equation of CSTR and PFR will give the size ratio, that means volume ratio. So we will do the comparison between CSTR and PFR for nth order reaction. So the rate of reaction for nth order reaction is given by minus RA is equal to minus 1 by V dNA by dt is equal to K into Ca to the power n. So where the n is varies from 0 to 3. That means order of reaction is varies from 0 to 3. So for mixed flow reactor or CSTR, the performance equation is given by tau m. So here the tau m. So tau m represent the space time for mixed flow reactor. So this is the definition of space time for mixed flow reactor, and this is actually design equation. So in this design equation we have to put the value of minus RA. So value of minus RA is for nth order reaction is equal to K into Ca to the power n. So again we have to put the value of Ca from this equation. So Ca is equal to Ca0 into 1 minus Xa divided by 1 plus epsilon A Xa. So by putting the value of Ca, we get this equation, and we have to rearrange this equation. That means you have to take this Ca0, these two, Ca0, you have to take left hand side, and we have to rearrange this equation. So we are obtaining this equation. So this equation is known as the equation number 4.1. Then you have to write the performance equation for plug flow reactor. So tau p represent the space time for the plug flow reactor, and this is the again tau p means space time for plug flow reactor, and this is the design equation for a plug flow reactor. So here again we have to put the value of minus R is equal to K into Ca to the power n, and again the value of Ca. Then we are obtaining this type of equation, and again we have to rearrange this equation as earlier, and we are obtaining this type of equation, that is known as the equation number 4.2. So which represent the performance equation for the plug flow reactor for nth order reaction. Then after that this we have to divide both equation. That means the equation number 4.1, which represent the performance equation of mixed flow reactor, and equation number 4.2 represent the performance equation of plug flow reactor. So here both equations are divided. So we are obtaining equation number 4.3. Then in the equation 4.3 we have to put epsilon A or epsilon is equal to 0. That means for constant density system we have to integrate the above equation. Then we are obtaining the equation number 4.4. So this in this equation n is not equal to the 1. Then for first order reaction, that means for epsilon A is equal to 0, that means for constant density system, and you have to put the n is equal to 1, the equation number 4.3 is become in this format. So this represents the equation number 4.5. So both these equations are represents for constant density system. Then these equations we can represent graphically in the figure 4.1 for quick comparison of mixed flow reactor and plug flow reactor. Note that this comparison is done for a identical feed rate FA0 and feed composition CA0. That means same FA0 and same CA0 value you have to take for mixed flow reactor and plug flow reactor. So this is the actual graph or plot represent figure 4.1. So here on the y-axis these two ratios are represents, and on x-axis 1 minus XA is given, and these lines represent for different order of reactions. These lines are plotted. So here if we put the value of CA0, FA0 same for both the cases, then this equation becomes Vm by Vp. That means it is a size ratio or volume ratio. Or if we put the value of CA0 same in both the cases, then this equation becomes tau m divided by tau p. So it is a ratio of space time of the mixed flow reactor to the space time of the plug flow reactor. Then from this graph we have concluded some points. So these are, for a given conversion or duty, for all positive reactions the size of CSTR is always greater than or larger than plug flow reactor. So we have already discussed this point in chapter number 4, that size of CSTR is always greater than size of plug flow reactor for the same conversion. The volume ratio Vm by Vp increase with the reaction order. So if we look at this graph, the volume ratio increase, that means this ratio is increased as the order of reaction increase. So here the n is equal to 0.25, n is equal to 0.5, n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, and n is equal to 3. So from this we can conclude that as the order of reaction is increased, volume ratio is increased. So volume ratio is here 1, then 10, then 100. So in this way we can conclude this point. And another point is that the size of the reactor is independent of the type of flow for zero order reaction. So for zero order reaction, the size of the reactor does not matter. That means it does not depend upon whether it is the mixed flow reactor or plug flow reactor. Then second conclusion is, for low value of conversion, the reactor size is slightly affected by the type of the flow. So here if the conversion level is here, then the volume ratio is near to the 1. That means the size of the reactor slightly affected on the type of the flow, and the size ratio increase very rapidly at high value of conversion. That means if we look here, if we put X is equal to 0.9, so it will become 0.1. So size ratios increase as the conversion is increased. So this is the second conclusion from this graph. Then the design of the reactor get affected by density variation. Means if the density is changing during the reaction, the design of the reactor get affected. So if the density is decreased during the reaction, increase the size ratio. So if we look at this graph, so as the density decrease, the size ratio is increased. So in the here if we look at these points, the size ratio is increased for as the density decrease. and in the other word, if the density increase during the reaction, decrease the size ratio, that means here the density increase, the size ratios decrease. So these lines shows that point. So these three conclusions we have concluded from the graph. So in this way we can compare the mixed flow reactor and plug flow reactor for first and second order reaction. Thanks.